How to backup OBS settings, scenes, and profiles. Easy step-by-step guide. First things first, why should you backup your OBS settings, scenes, and profiles? Whether you're upgrading your hardware, reinstalling your OS, or just being cautious, having a backup ensures you don't lose all your meticulously crafted configurations. It saves a ton of time and headache. Alright, let's start with how to backup your OBS settings. Follow these steps. Go to File in the top left corner. Select Show Settings folder. This will open the folder where OBS stores all its configuration files. Now, all you need to do is copy everything in this folder. Paste these files into a secure location like an external hard drive, USB stick, or a cloud storage service like Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your OBS settings. Now, let's talk about restoring your settings, scenes, and profiles. Here's how you can do it. Go to File and select Show Settings folder again. Once done, restart OBS and your previous settings, profiles, and scenes should now be restored. Backing up and restoring your OBS settings, scenes, and profiles is simple but crucial for any content creator. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.